This is what a 2,000 square foot 4-bedroom condo looks like. Yet, I still have clients telling me that this is not enough. Would you rather this unit or one of these landed homes that will double up the space that you need along with your price tag? Here I am in District 11, where one of these landed homes will satiate your appetite for a bigger space but will easily cost you $8 million. And while on that subject of price, if I do a search for a condo that's bigger than 2,000 square feet of at least 4 bedrooms, that will easily set me back $5 million. So is there any homes out there that's actually bigger than a condo, yet cheaper than a landed property? Behind me is Whitley Villas, where not only you find space bigger than a condo, but also prices that is more affordable than a landed property. And I know what you're thinking, that cluster homes are not always on top of your minds. Just look at the facilities, for example. Any condo would have a bigger pool than this. It's somewhat like a landed. You don't actually own the land, but it's shared between you and 9 other neighbors. While on the flip side, this could be the perfect opportunity for those of you who are looking for space. Let me show you. This is a semi-detached unit that's about 2,900 square feet over 4 levels. And here we are currently at level 1, where you'll find the living and dining spaces. There is an option of both a wet and dry kitchen, a yard area out in the back, along with a patio out in front. Powder room is also on this floor, which means that your guests do not have to access your personal spaces in order to use the bathrooms. Do you realize that if you're in a typical condo, this couch would have been flushed to the wall, but not here? There is ample space for you to lay out your entire sofa set, along with also your dining set. Level 2 comes with 2 very good sized bedrooms that shares a common bathroom, along with 1 junior master suite attached with an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. On the attic floor, this is where you have the entire floor space here to retreat to at the end of your day. Top floor, this is the entire space that you can call your own, the most private across 4 floors. And my ladies, follow me, there's this little nook that you like to call your own. But still not enough for me. And the perks of landed living, no more waiting for lifts. Park right here and walk straight into your home. Truth is that a cluster home may not always be on top of your mind, but it does fill a void for those seeking space without an exorbitant price. And the most important question then comes, what is the price? This cluster home, for example, is going for $3.88 million. If you compare this to any surrounding landed properties, you will find that prices would have exceeded this a long time ago. If you're willing to sacrifice space and consider a condo unit, prices would be just about here or already higher. Now, for larger families who are considering an extra room or space, then cluster houses becomes the perfect opportunity for you to own that extra space at a reasonable price. I can't think of anything better than this, but if you do, comment below and let me know what the options are. Otherwise, I welcome you to take a visit here with me at Whitley Villas. My name is Mama Ju, and I hope to see you next time. Kiddings, bye!